Hello, fellow hair loss people, and welcome to my 10-month post-op update. For those of you who have not been following along, I got a 4,000 graft hair transplant from Dr. Gurr through Fucapular. I am now 10 months post-op. This is how it looks. So let's dive right into it. So looking at the 1 foot out mark, you can see my right-hand side looks very, very clean. I would say that I'm no longer getting an increase in density. I feel as though this has maxed out, and I'm not seeing any differences over the 10-month mark. I'm very happy with how it looks, especially how it blends, how the transplanted hairs blend with my native hair in the area. I think it looks pretty seamless, and I'm very happy with how that looks. Now looking at my left side. On my left side, my hair's a little spiky today, but I would say I am getting a little bit more density coming in. Still not quite as dense as the right side. You can see, let's see with the lighting. There you go. So you can see this side is definitely not as dense as this side. With that being said, I'm still pretty happy, especially with how my hair gets parted over anyway. You really can't tell. I did just get a haircut, I think it was yesterday, and a pretty cool thing is now I feel as though, because I'm more confident in the hair that I have, that I don't mind letting it get a little bit longer. When I was balding and had really receded hair, I always felt the need to get a haircut because when it looked long, it just made the baldness look even worse. So I'm a lot more confident now with having had my hair transplant. I just feel as though having longer hair looks even better because I just love how my hair looks now. So also looking at the back crown area. This is the crown. I would say the crown is still getting denser, just like my left-hand side. They're definitely still growing in. I can feel a little bit of itchiness on the scalp, which I believe is more follicles popping through. And crowns, as most of you know who have been following along, historically take anywhere up to 18 months to fully mature back there. With that being said, if my crown didn't continue to improve, I would still be very happy with my results. For those of you who have seen my pre-op photos, I had a pretty bad U-shape on my crown of baldness, so I'm very happy with how it looks now. I do hope my left side gets a little bit denser. If it doesn't, it's not going to be the end of the world. When you look at the before and after photos, it's pretty impressive to see where I came from and where I'm at now. For those of you who have any questions about hair transplants, please let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe for all my future updates and follow along. Thank you.